welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're playing with the James Charles palette again. I wanted to just create another fun look, kind of just like a get ready with me. So this is the look that I came up with today. So yeah, it's kind of similar to another look that I did a couple months ago, but it's different palette, different month. But yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just starting by priming my eyes with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and setting it with some powder. Then I'm going into the shade Code James and just working that into my crease using a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going into the shade 10% Off and just working that into my crease as well and just kind of darkening it up a bit. And I'm using the same brush. And just blending it out. Next, I'm going into the shade No Beans to deepen up the outer V. So I'm mostly focusing that, just on the outer V. I'm not bringing it over as much, very lightly. And again, just blending out everything as best as I can. Then going into the shade B with a smaller brush, I'm adding that to as my transition shade to kind of blend out those other darker shades. And then just going back in with No Beans to darken it up a bit. And then I'm bringing that into my inner corner as well because we're going to be doing a halo eye. So just leaving that middle area kind of blank because you're going to go in with the concealer. And then just go with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just adding that to the center of my lid and just bringing it a little above my crease. Then I'm going into the shade So Good with a smaller flat brush, and I sprayed that as well, and just adding that to the center of the lid. And really packing it on. Then going into the shade Wig, which is just a little bit darker, and adding that on top just so there's not as much of a contrast. And then I'm going back in with No Beans just to blend out the edges so it doesn't look so harsh. And just doing a lot of blending. And then going into the shade Benny, which is just an even darker brown, and deepening it up a bit more just to help blend those edges out because I was having a little bit of a hard time blending them out. Just adding that, and then curling my lashes with my cute pineapple lash curler, and going in with my favorite mascara, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and just doing a light layer, not going in too much here. And then moving on to the face real quick, where I'm using the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. And then I'm going with my Tarte, I believe it is the Timeless Smoothing Primer, and I'm just focusing that on my T-zone. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. And this is in the shade just Natural Ivory, and I'm using a Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And just going over spots where I have more acne or red spots. Then going with my IT Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Light. And just also adding it to any blemishes I have and a little bit down the center of my face. And again, using that Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend everything out. Then I'm doing some cream contour with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13 and blending that out with my beauty blender as well. And then I'm just adding some also to my forehead in a second. Yeah, now I'm going into adding some to my forehead and the bridge of my nose, and again blending everything out. Also to my jawline, just to make it look like I have somewhat of a chin or a jaw. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just bronzing up a little bit more. Then going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder and baking the contour. And doing some on my nose as well. And a little bit under the eyes. Then go with my favorite highlighter, the Ofra Cosmetic Highlighter in Pillow Talk. And I'm just highlighting my face a bunch, and Cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, and my pupils. And then I'm going in with one of my favorite blushes, the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I'm just adding a little bit mostly to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going in with those same shades that I used on my lid and doing it on my lower lash line. And finishing with some mascara. Then I'm just brushing away that bake with a big fluffy brush. And going back into my sponge, just blend everything out and make sure there's no harsh lines. Then we're going in with the MAC Lip Pencil in Hover and just lining our lips. And then going into the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Seductress. And then I'm just setting everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's the completed look. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I am really loving this palette. The shadows blend out so nicely, and just there's such like good pigmentation and everything, so I really love this, how this look turned out. If you did too, then definitely be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and hit that post notifications button so you're notified every time that I upload. But I believe that is everything. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have everything in the description box below. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys!